Recently, one of my students, El Hassan, asked me about 4 confusing words. While reading his comments, I thought to myself, what way could I demonstrate the differences between the words? As I went through the process, I realized that I had taught this lesson before. As you have learned from my previous videos, it can be tough to process pronunciation. Hi, I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English Academy. And today, I want to teach you how to use the TH words in your daily conversations. The first thing that we'll do is look at though, thought, and tough. They each all have the same O's, U, G, H. Explaining the differences is not that difficult, and with practice, you will be able to master each of these words. The word though has the strong TH sound, and then the OUGH sound, which seems to be the same as go. If you think about it, there are only 2 sounds, TH and OW, though. The word thought requires a T at the end. That's a strong T. But remember, there is a difference. In this case, the OUGHT stands for the as in father. The TH is a soft TH. So the tongue comes out and only air is passing. Then you open it to an sound, thought. And you end it with a very subtle T, thought. Now, in the case of tough, we began with a strong T. It's not a TH, T, and the OUGH stands for ending with an F sound. So the GH actually represents the F, tough, tough. The word taught is pronounced with the same sound as caught and bought. The AU is a combination of the sound as in father. The T in taught is pronounced as an unvoiced consonant. To pronounce the word correctly, start by saying the sound, and then release a puff of air as you say the T. This will be at the end. Now you have the correct pronunciation of taught. It is taught. Though, thought, tough, and taught. Let's now look at a few practical sentences with the word thought, though, tough, and taught. Are you ready? Practice with me. I thought the movie was really good, but my friend didn't like it. I thought the movie was really good, but my friend didn't like it. I thought the movie was really good, but my friend didn't really like it. Even though I didn't want to go to the party, I went anyway to support my friend. Even though I didn't want to go to the party, I went anyway to support my friend. The steak was tough, so I had to ask the waiter to bring me a new one. The steak was tough, so I had to ask the waiter to bring me a new one. My teacher taught me how to solve math problems. My teacher taught me how to solve math problems. If you enjoyed learning about thought, though, tough, and taught, leave a comment below using one of the sentences for practice purposes. Also, If you would like to have the free study guide for mastering pronunciation of the TH sound, please be sure to submit your request. As a reminder, if you don't want to miss a single episode of my latest YouTube videos, be sure to become a subscriber by clicking the bell. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Priscilla, your real-life, real-time conversational English coach for you and all IT professionals. Bye for now. In this case, the OUGH is the same as AH, as in father. The TH is soft.